哋今日揾到個新地方啊！喺沙田 Dino Park 上邊啊！嗱，呢度係沙田，係咪 Dino Park 5樓啊嘛？幾高係咪啊？平時我哋係咪搭呢條電梯去恐龍公園㗎嘛？係咪？但係而家我哋係7樓，跟住我哋呢個 Sky Garden 咧，而家有新嘢玩啊 ！First, it's really open to pets too。你可以帶你啲寵物狗狗嚟啦。呢個叫 Sky Garden， 哇！你睇下，係可能夜晚會發光啊啲燈燈。哇！嗰度有得爬上去玩㗎喎，原來。哇！有好大個 bubble 啊，有人表演 bubble 喺度。可以坐喺度啊，係咪好得意咧？哇！舒唔舒服㗎？好硬。有風扇，唔使驚熱。可以洗手，玩完。哇！你睇下嗰個哥哥，佢吹緊好大波，我哋擺呢個去睇好唔好啊？啊！你睇下，嗰邊就係 Dino Park 啦，係咪啊？對 Dino Park， 但呢度係嗰度 Dino Park 係5樓，跟住而家我哋7樓。喂，嗰邊都係新㗎。我整緊啊。係啊，嗰度。Go go go！耶！哇，好靚啊啲花花！哇！我哋影下呢個哥哥先。哇！啲 bubble 好多喎，佢點整嘅咧？哎呦，佢擺低咗添，我哋行得太慢。我覺得 he's taking up another one maybe。Oh, here it goes！ 我係擺落個 soap bubbles 嗰度。哇！哎呦，爆咗添！呢個咧，呢個得唔得？啊，好大個啊，好得意啊！跟住原來嗰邊都有啲繩網可以玩噶喎 ，like nets and stuff。哇 ，so cool！ 喂，嗰邊可能有啲其他小朋友嗰邊玩緊。哇！不過地下應該好跣啊，應該而家，所以唔好跑啊！好，我哋睇埋另外嗰邊先。頭先我哋嗰邊都見到啲好玩嘅嘢 ，especially if you come during the hot weather， 好熱嘅時候就啱晒你嚟玩啦。其實香港而家已經開始熱㗎啦，雖然而家只係4月頭，但你已經可以嚟㗎啦。但係你睇下係咩嚟㗎？係一個 water fountain， 係咪啊？叫做咩咧？睇下先。水槍區啊。Okay， but it's not for pets. You cannot drink it, and you cannot. You have to wear shoes, and be careful, don't slip. 哇！我唔行入去啦，濕晒隻腳。Oh, it's like a maze， 好似個迷宮喎，係咪中間係可以行路嘅？你睇下佢哋帶埋水槍嚟啊 ！They brought the water guns. Wow, this is the funnest, most fun. 我都好想嚟玩添，你哋快啲嚟搵我啦，我哋就可以一齊嚟玩啊！好開心喎！哎呀，有水槍啊！你睇幾開心。睇下先，我哋睇下呢個 poster 有幾時有啲表演嘅係咪啊？睇下先。原來有唔同時間去有嘢發生嘅。有噴泉表演啦 ，so like there's a show I guess. And then yeah, you can come and play. And then 你睇下下邊就係 Dino Park 啦，你哋最中意嘅 Dino Park。好開心嘅恐龍公園啊！哇，係咪啊？哇，好犀利 ！I love this view， 太少上嚟啦，而家多啲上嚟睇下先。哇，你睇望落去 ，it's pretty cool too。But Dino Park， 好啦 ，so this is Sky Garden 喺沙田新城市廣場7樓 ，OK，come and play。Okay, and I think they're building lots of new stuff. There's shops I think and lots of sitting area 多咗好多俾人休息嘅地方 which I love. Okay, I think sometimes you just need a place to sit and chat. So anyways 哇好靚啊係咪啊好啦就咁先啦我哋第時一齊嚟玩啦好冇記得帶 swimsuit and shoes water shoes and we can play in the water and play bubbles water gun and everything alright okay love you bye